A tasty and soft gluten-free bread is a yearning for many people who are on gluten-free diet. This is an easy recipe. I have uploaded another video earlier also, but this is an easy recipe with easy ingredients. Now to start off this making this gluten-free bread or normal bread if you are using maida, we will activate the yeast. This is dry active yeast but not instant yeast, so we need to bloom it. This milk we have taken is warm temperature, so I'll add little bit of sugar and the warm milk into it and keep it aside, let it bloom. Rest of the ingredients we'll add. This is oil, 150 ml, and this is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add this to this. This is better if you take powdered sugar. We'll mix 4 eggs and into this I'll add the sugar. If it's powdered sugar, you can directly add it to the flour. This is xanthan gum powder. This is a binder. We are using it in gluten-free flour only. Otherwise, this is not required. This is 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum powder. And this is our gluten-free flour. This is 5 cups of flour. To this, we have to add 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. If otherwise you are using maida, there is no need. This is 2 teaspoons of salt. Not exactly 2 teaspoons, it is 3/4 of a tablespoon. This is 2 teaspoons baking powder. We are using baking powder also in this. So we'll add all the ingredients. Wet ingredients together and dry ingredients separately. Now the eggs are well beaten and well mixed. The sugar granules have also disappeared. You may add powdered sugar directly to this. We'll mix all the dry ingredients together. You can see that how bloomed this is now. It has really activated. This is how it should be before adding to any bread or any batter. Mix it well. Then we'll mix all the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. This also will add. The vinegar and oil mix. Now we'll add this first and then we'll start mixing the milk so that nothing splashes out. So this is the final mix which we have got after mixing all the ingredients. Now I'll transfer this contents into 2 bread loaf pans which are oiled and dusted. Now after smoothing the tops, we'll keep it for rising for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, this is how it has risen. So all the textures are very uniform. I'll keep this has to be baked for 50 minutes at 75 degrees C in the middle rack. So this is right out of the oven. This has sank a little bit. Let's see how it's inside. This is okay. Now after 10-15 minutes, I take them out and let it cool completely outside. I've cut the bread. This is how it has turned out. So soft and just like a normal maida bread and evenly distributed air bubbles. So do try out this yummy recipe.